Everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So, friends, once again, welcome to my new video. And friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about something special things because, friends, I got so many comments, and through that comments, I got to know that people are making mistake while speaking English language, and main thing is that they do not know how to start speaking English language. So, I am here to talk about these things, and I am here to solve this confusion. Okay, so if you are the one who are thinking that I can understand, I can write anything in English language, but when it comes to start speaking, I feel that I am not able to. Okay, so if you are facing same problem, so make sure that you are going to watch this video till the very end, because friends, from this video you are going to learn that why people are not able to speak English language, what is the main problem behind that. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. So, friends, as I had told you in my previous videos that why I was not able to speak English language. So, people are just doing the same mistake that I have done in my past when I started my speaking English journey. So, that time I was making one mistake, and that was not being able to speak English language. Even all the time I was watching videos, but I was not trying to speak English language. That was the main mistake that I had made. Okay, because of that I was not able to speak English language. Even I had given so much time in this language, but I was not able to speak English language because of not practicing. Okay, so if you are the one who are making the same mistake, so please stop making this mistake, because if you are making mistake, so I am here to tell you that you don't need to make this kind of mistake. Why are you learning English language? You had to understood these things. You had to understand these things. That why are you learning English language? Obviously, we all are learning English language for speaking. We are not learning English language for writing. We can write anything. There is no doubt. But main thing is that we want to speak in English language. We want to convey our thoughts in English language, but this for this we do not try to speak English language. Because of that we are not able to speak. Okay, so yesterday I got one comment, and there was a person who were saying that ma'am, I have been learning English language since many days, since many years, but I am not able to speak English language. Even I can understand. I watch so many videos in English language. I have watched and every day I watch in English videos every day. But what should I do for speaking? But what is the reason? Because of that I am not able to speak English language. So for those people, there are so many people who are doing the same mistake, who are watching videos. I salute that you have watched videos every day, you are able to understand, but main thing is that you have to speak English language, right? You are not learning English language, try to understand this thing, that you are not learning English language for understanding. You can understand, so it's very very big task. It is very big things that you can understand. If you can understand, so please try to convey your thoughts in English language. Try to speak those all words that you have in your mind. By watching videos, you are gaining knowledge of English language, but what is the use of that language if you are not using while talking with anyone? Okay, so I just want to say that friends, if you are learning English language, please, if you are watching videos every day, so watch videos, and after watching videos try to speak those all words that you will learn from that video. Okay, if you are just watching videos and if you are not applying those all words, if you are not using those all words, those all structure, so I can say that you are not doing anything for this language. Okay, main thing is that we have to practice all the time. There is, as I have told you, that I was watching videos every day, all the time I was listening English content, but I didn't try to speak English language. That is why I feel, even right now I feel that I have wasted my 1 year in this language, because of not trying to speak English language. I was not trying to speaking English language, because of that I was not able to speak. But before 4 months ago, I realized that where am I? I practice every day, I watch videos every day, but where am I? I found myself. I got to know myself, that where am I making mistake? What is the main reason behind not being able to speak English language I created myself. Okay, so you will have to know that where you are making mistake, where you need to improve. Problem, you know what is the main problem? People are watching videos every day, they are writing, they are reading, and they think that I'm speaking English language, I am trying to, and they think that I'm learning English language. No, not at all. You're not learning English language. Why do you say that you're learning English language? I can say that you're not learning English language. You are just gaining knowledge of this language. If you're not trying to speak English language, so there is no use of this language, because English is a language, right? And we all are learning English language because of convincing our thoughts, because of putting our thoughts in front of anyone. So, how can we put our thoughts without speaking? Can we put our thoughts by writing? Can we put our thoughts by showing anything? Not at all. You all are able to understand these things. In our mother tongue, in our local language, how we put our thoughts by speaking, right? So in English, we have to do same things. For speaking, if you want to learn English language, so you will have to put your thoughts in English language. Try to speak in English language. Do not think that I will make mistake. Just you have to speak. Try to understand really. If you are making this mistake, I am telling you, because I had made this mistake, and I am just regretting that I have wasted my 1 year. If I would be speaking English language, if I would be trying to speaking English language in my um, journey when I started, so this time I would be fluent in this language. I am regretting myself. Okay, so please, if you are doing that kind of mistakes, so please do not do that. Okay, because after doing that things you will regret, I know that. So from today, just start speaking whatever you know, whatever words come in your mind, just deliver those all words. Our main work and your main work is that to speak, right? You to speak is your, and speaking is your main work and main practice of your speaking English language. And for learning English language, you will have to speak at any cost. There is no any other option. If you want to speak English language, if you want to be fluent in this language, so without practicing of speaking English language, you cannot be fluent in this language. You can write my words, okay, without speaking. Doesn't matter how many videos you are watching in a day. If you are watching 10 videos, 15 minutes, 5 videos, it doesn't matter. It matters that's how much time you are giving to this language for speaking. Only speaking is matter a lot, right? So for speaking, just speak whatever you have. Just speak whatever you know about English language. टूटी फूटी कुछ भी इंग्लिश बोलो, बट बोलो, बस आपको बोलना ही है इंग्लिश. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि मैं तो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो वीडियो देख रहा हूँ एक हर दिन, तो ओनली बाय वॉचिंग वीडियोस आप कभी अपना इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं देखोगे. अगर आप केवल वीडियोस बस देख रहे हो, और अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं तो वीडियो देखता हूँ, मैं तो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, सो इट इज़ नॉट लाइक अ प्रैक्टिस, राइट? योर स्पीकिंग इज़ लाइक अ प्रैक्टिस. बिकॉज हम सब सीख रहे हैं अंग्रेज़ी बोलने के लिए, नॉट लिखने के लिए. तो बोलने के लिए हमें सबको बोलना पड़ता है, बोलने के लिए हमको बोलना पड़ेगा English language. Okay, so I think that you got my point, and just I would like to say that please friends, start speaking English language, because without speaking you cannot feel that you are improving. For feeling and for seeing your improvement, you will have to work on your ability. Whatever you have, every person has their hidden treasures, so they will have to find first, and after that they will have to work on that. So keep ready for that and keep working, keep practicing of speaking English language. God bless you. Thank you so much friend for watching this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till that, bye bye.